The company is founded in 1915 by Watse Hilarius in Haarlem, the Netherlands. In 1918, the first products are exported to Germany and the United States, with wire nails and roof slates as the core business. In 1955, the name Hilco is introduced as an acronym for Hilarius Company. In 1966, Hilco introduced the red extra rutile electrodes, a successful E6013 formula. In 1968, the logo transformed into its current shape, as still used today. Over the years, Hilco exports its products all over the world. In 1995, Bangladesh is the 100th country being served. In 2009, Hilco launches its website, hilco-welding.com. In the same year, Hilco introduces the HM160MV welding machine, followed by the introduction of the Hilco abrasives line in 2012. On September 28, 2015, Hilco celebrates its 100th anniversary. Hilco may bear the title Purveyor to the Royal Household by appointment to the Court of the Netherlands. In 2017, the web shop is introduced for the UK, Germany and Denmark. For the future, Hilco will expand e-commerce and online platforms and continue to improve its products with quality, safety and sustainability as main principles.